Hello everyone! It's Thursday after work and we've been hanging out this week in the Santa Fe area. But today we thought, wow, wouldn't it be fun to check out Nambe Falls after work?
I think it would be. So we're gonna do it.
We are gonna do it. This is about a 50-minute drive from Santa Fe, but already it's so pretty here. We're on a reservation. It's $15 to get in for the day or $30 to camp, and we decided might as well camp. So let's go check it out. It is feeling very much like fall-y right now, wouldn't you say?
I mean, look at it.
I am feeling the fall vibes. Like the trees are changing colors. It's a little chilly, and it's kind of awesome. This is gonna be awesome! You gotta walk through the water! Huh?
We found them. We're gonna keep going and get a better view up there, but
that's crazy. Beautiful.
the waterfall was sick. Now we're back down to the river, and we gotta hike back through the river. You guys didn't catch it in the other video, like 30 seconds ago. Look at this, the water is just shooting out of little holes in the mountain. These are pretty cool, like flower looking things. Little just like fuzz balls.
Oops.
They kind of look like they should be in like a Dr. Seuss.
I was gonna say Horton Hears a Who.
Yeah. We're doing the overlook hike.
Yeah.
And
Decided last second to do it.
really cool views.
Welcome to our campsite. This is where we're gonna stay tonight. It's pretty awesome. We rarely pay for camping, but since it's $15 to get in and $30 to camp, we figured might as well camp. Right, Bracey boy? Bryce has really been making us eat healthy here at Camp Bryce and Katie lately. So we're having chicken, veggies, and quinoa. What do you have to say for yourself, Bryce?
It's probably not gonna be that great.
Where's Dairy Queen Bryce when we need him?
I know, for real. I'm gonna be back.
Alright everybody, it is Friday after work and we are rocking and rolling on the road right now to a very exciting place. Ojo Caliente Hot Springs Resort. There's some beautiful fall colors here in New Mexico and we are excited to soak up some warmth in some hot springs and get a shower. pond. You have to whisper here.
How was it, Katie?
It was awesome.
We also found this fireplace.
So pretty. The vibe here is just awesome. It's
Really cool.
very calm. Very beautiful. But we gotta go on to the next adventure, and tomorrow morning we're doing something real cool.
Let's do it.